Um, so this is a video about my new Nike Mercurial Vapor Superfly 2 FG. This is the box. As you can see, it's still unwrapped. Okay. If you want a closer look, can you see? I think I can get it closer for you if you want. See? So together we are going to view the box getting unboxed. So here I go. In order to get that process done, we are going to need a pair of scissors. These are made with a metal called, I think it's zinc. I'm not sure, but I know I saw this name on a cereal box I was reading. I'm not sure though, but I'm pretty sure it's that. Next thing you're gonna need is your nails. See? They need to be strong and long, because if they're not, it's not gonna be easy to open the box. So what I recommend in order to have a long and strong nail is to take a pill of multivitamin every morning. So you take that for at least, I would say for at least 2 to 3 months before oh, here it is too, zinc. So you have some scissors in your nails before the opening of the box. So that's pretty much what you need for the unwrapping process. So you can just open it. There is no specific way of opening the shipping paper. You can just take your zinc scissors and hold it like so. Let me show you. And then you can just take your long and strong nails and do this. I call this the cat method because cats have long and strong nails too. I used to call this the Puma method, but since I'm unwrapping a Nike box, I just thought it would be unfaithful to my feet. So using the cat method or former Puma method, you can just, you know, finish the job unwrapping the shipping wrapper like so. So here you have the paper of the order. I don't know if you can see. And here you have the box. So on my next video, I'm gonna be unboxing